What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super cute, quick, and easy jumpsuit. So I'm starting on folded fabric, so just make sure you have 2 layers. And then I'm going to be using these shorts that I actually made in a different video as a pattern. I'll link that video down below. But you just want to go ahead and fold your shorts in half, and then you want to match the straight edge up to the folded edge of your fabric. But I think I decided that I could save more fabric by folding my fabric the hot dog way instead of the hamburger way. But once again, just lining the straight edge up to the folded edge of my purple fabric. So after I am done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut around these shorts, and you want to make sure you leave about a 1/2 inch for seam allowance when you are cutting the shape out. So after I'm done cutting this shape out, I'm going to go ahead and take that purple piece and line it up again, because we need 2 pieces of this, 1 for each leg. So I'm just cutting this exact same shape out one more time. So now that I'm done with that, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and place these 2 pieces right sides together, and then I'm going to go ahead and sew down both of the curves on either side. So moving on, I'm taking some more of the fabric, of course, and I believe this is folded as well still. I'm just getting rid of some scraps. Then I'm going to take this tube top that I always use because it's just so perfect. So I'm taking this tube top to use this as a pattern, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the shape of this tube top, and that is going to be for obviously the top of my jumpsuit. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to also go ahead and sew a straight stitch down each side. Make sure your right sides are together. And for this project, I did use a zigzag stitch as always. So this is what it looks like after I sewed those sides down. So now I'm going to go ahead and open it up and flip it over, and as you can see, your shorts are pretty much almost done. So now you just need to sew a stitch down the crotch, and then you can go ahead and fold up the raw edges and just hem around the bottom of the shorts. And now I'm taking an elastic band that fits around the top of my chest, and I'm going to sew it into a circle. Then I'm going to place it over the top of the tube top portion, and then I'm going to fold that raw edge over the elastic and sew all the way around, encasing the elastic into the shirt. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the tube top and turn it right side out. Then I'm going to flip it upside down and stick it inside of the shorts. Now keep in mind that the shorts are still inside out. So then you just want to match up the front and back of the shirt to the front and back of the pants and sew all the way around. So once you're done with that, this is what it'll look like. Super cute, super comfortable. I am honestly so in love. I wanted to show you guys a variation, so that's what I'm going to be doing in the next clip. So for the variation, you're just going to repeat all the same steps, and this is what you'll end up with. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and add some sleeves. So taking some fabric, of course, this is 2 layers of fabric I'm cutting through, and I'm just going to cut out the shape of this long sleeve that fits me nicely. And once I'm done doing that, I'm of course going to take that piece, transfer it onto the other side of the fabric, and cut it out again. So I have one for my right arm, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut out another one for my left arm. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and of course put right sides together, And after I'm done with that, all I have to do is go ahead and sew a straight stitch down both sides of the sleeve. After you sew the straight stitches, you can go ahead and fold the top and bottom of the sleeves over and just hem it up. So now that that's done, I'm going to flip them right sides out. And now we're on to the last step. So I'm just going to take the jumpsuit that I already made, and I'm going to go ahead and place it in the middle. And then you can just match up the side of the tube top to the side of the sleeve and sew a straight stitch, a little straight stitch, just to lock it in place. And when I say straight stitch, I just mean like a straight line, because I definitely use a zigzag stitch. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, a little variation of a jumpsuit, catsuit, whatever you want to call it, bodysuit, you know what I'm saying? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you make it, please tag me on Instagram, because I would love to see your finished results. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.